Welcome to another episode of my podcast on effective teamwork agility pills. Today we're going to talk about the Kanban method. Remember the times when projects were a bit like an improvised orchestra performance without a conductor? Everyone played what they liked, and the effect, well, it varied. That's when Kanban appeared, like a salvation. Not as another dry methodology, but as a common sense approach to work organization, which revolutionized the approach to task management. Imagine a busy restaurant kitchen. The chef, like a master of ceremonies, watches the orders hanging on the board: main courses, soups, desserts. Each order is a separate card, moved as the work progresses, from to be prepared, through in progress, to ready for serving. Zero chaos, full synchronization. This is the essence of Kanban visualization of the workflow, which allows you to manage even the biggest culinary, or design, mess. Kanban is not just a board in colorful sticky notes. It is, above all, a philosophy of continuous improvement, based on a few simple but powerful principles. One of them is limiting work in progress, WIP. Remember how in school the teacher told us to focus on one task at a time? In Kanban it works similarly. Instead of digging into 10 topics at once, we focus on a few key tasks, bringing them to an end before starting the next one. It's a bit like eating dinner. It's better to eat one dish properly than to try everything at once and end up with indigestion. Another important element is flow management. Imagine a highway during rush hour. A traffic jam is guaranteed, right? It's similar in projects. If tasks get stuck in one place, the whole process slows down. Kanban helps identify these bottlenecks and improve the workflow, like an efficient road worker directing traffic. I remember a story about a team of programmers who were drowning in a sea of tasks before implementing Kanban. Projects were delayed, the atmosphere was tense, and clients, well, they weren't thrilled. We introduced a Kanban board, limited WIP, and suddenly a miracle happened. The team started working more efficiently, tasks were completed on time, and the office became calm and collaborative. It turned out that the key to success was not working at night, but better organization and focus. Kanban is not a magic pill that will solve all problems immediately. It is rather a set of tools and principles that allow us to better understand and manage our work process. It is a flexible approach that can be adapted to different industries and types of projects. Whether you work in IT, marketing, or in the kitchen, Kanban can help you work smarter, not harder. Kanban method elements. Work visualization. The Kanban board and cards allow for a clear overview of the status of task completion. Work in progress, WIP, reduction. Limiting the number of tasks in each column helps avoid overload and focus on current tasks. Flow management. Monitoring the flow of tasks through the board allows you to identify bottlenecks and optimize the process. Continuous improvement. Regular analysis of data and collection of feedback allows for continuous improvement of the process. Positive effects of using the Kanban method. Increased efficiency. Better work organization and elimination of waste lead to increased efficiency. Improved workflow. Visualization and flow management allow for faster and smoother task completion. Increased transparency. All team members have a clear picture of the status of projects. Better communication. A Kanban board facilitates communication and collaboration within the team. Flexibility. The Kanban method is flexible and can be adapted to different types of projects and teams. Reduce stress. Reducing work in progress and better organizing work helps reduce stress and improve employee well-being. Kanban is not just a board and sticky notes. It is primarily a change in thinking about work, which allows us to focus on what is most important, eliminate waste, and derive more satisfaction from the tasks we perform. It is a bit like finding the perfect recipe for success. Alexander Koska Agile Institute.